welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this blue glitter smoky cut crease. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First things first, I'm priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set everything in place with translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using my Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm going into this light blue shade. And I'm just going to be applying this in my upper crease area, also winging out that outer corner for the cat eye shape. Next, I'm going into my Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette. I'm going into my angled brush and this darker cobalt blue shade. And I'm just applying this in the very center of my crease, following the natural kind of curvature of my eye. But I am giving myself a little bit more lid space. So you can always do this step with your eye open if you need to have a guide for where you want to apply it. But I personally like to give myself a little bit more lid space. That way when my eye is open, I have a lot of lid space and you can see the work that I'm going to be doing on my actual lid. And then I'm grabbing a small tapered brush and I mix the cobalt blue shade with our first transition color. And I'm just going in left and right motions over top of that line. And this is just going to help us get a really beautiful gradient. So it's going to be a darker crease and it's just going to blend into that light blue shadow in the crease as well. Next, I'm grabbing my small angled brush and my concealer and I'm just carving my lid and also applying this on my lid as well to give us a nice even base. And then I'm going to be going into a small compact brush with some translucent powder and packing that over top of this concealer to set it in place. Next, I'm going into this Colourpop Jelly Mud Shadow. This is a new one in the shade Mojave Moves. And I'm going to be applying this all over the inner half of my lid, going to the center of my lid. And I've said this before, I'm absolutely obsessed with the Colourpop Jelly Mud Shadows. They are absolutely stunning. You don't have to even wet your brush. Super pigmented. They don't really crease or anything like that, so I absolutely love them. So I'm just applying that on the inner half of my lid. So now for the other half of my lid, I'm going into this light blue metallic shadow and I'm going to be applying this just to the other half of my lid and doing dragging motions to blend it in with that first shade as well. Next, I'm grabbing the dark blue shade from the Morphe X James Charles palette and I'm just applying this to the very outer corner, and we're just going to treat this like a smoky wing liner. So placing the majority of that pigment on the very outer edge and then just doing dragging inward motions to make it blend and just really look seamless. Next, I put some glitter glue on an angled brush and then I just applied my Siren Fantasy Violet Voss glitter over top of that glitter glue line. So I kind of did a glitter glue liner and then I just put the glitter on the brush, placed it on top of the glue, and then I just peeled off my tape. For lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes. We do still have these in stock. If you guys want to check out our lash company, the link is always in the description box down below. And then for the lower lash line, I felt like keeping it super simple since we have so much going on the lid. So I just grabbed the first transition color with my smudger brush and I just applied that onto the lower lash line. And then I grabbed my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara and I'm just coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I just picked up my Pixie by Petra highlight and I just popped that onto my inner corner. And this is the finished look right here. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you guys have any questions on which products I use, don't forget to check the description box. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Thank you.